anyone who can solve problems can be consulted. Hello, my name is Alice and I work within the design team, part of Frog, part of Capgemini Invent. I'm currently working as an experience designer within Frog, and I got into this role through Capgemini's graduate program. So I applied early mid last year, and then I got into the mid-year graduate program this year in July. So I've only been in my role for around 2 months, but it's been a great journey so far, learning basic consulting skills and applying my background in design within my current role. A key highlight of my graduate journey so far would be attending some networking and industry events with our brand manager, James. I recently attended the RMIT technology one, and it was really lovely, talking with the RMIT students as their alumni and kind of just helping them a little bit with how to stand out in graduate applications and answering any of their questions. Another key highlight I would say definitely would be the Institute. So the Institute is a kind of orientation program for our event graduates. So every week we have a Institute squad, and then sometimes we meet up in the office, and sometimes we just have a very casual meeting on Teams. And then every Friday we also play some fun games called Fun Time, and then each graduate within the team is allocated to choose the fun game of the week. Another key highlight I would say is definitely getting practical hands-on experience and really jumping into a project. Yeah, it feels really great to kind of use my design knowledge in an actual real life scenario. I know a lot of times in uni, most of my design projects were very much hypothetical, but yeah, it feels really great to use up my design skills in that area. Coming from my communication design background, I had a very different impression of what consulting would be like. I initially thought it's very much like commerce based, or all the finance students, but coming into consulting, I feel like it's more based on problem solving. So in design, we're already taught creative problem solving mindset, so that has really helped me in this area. And yeah, I've just gotten quite a different view of consulting, stripping it back from the big fancy acronyms and terms. It's really just problem solving at the end of the day. You don't have to be an expert in your current course or be from a commerce background to jump into consulting. In especially our graduate program, it's very much focused on learning as a new graduate and entering this new industry as well. And you'll find that your peers, your graduate peers and seniors are very keen to help out and help you grow on this journey. So try not to feel intimidated, even if you're not from a consulting background. I feel like anyone who can solve problems can be consulted. Follow what motivates you. So even if you're unsure of what do I want to be in the future, find what you enjoy doing, find your passions, and explore that area as much as you can. So for me personally in high school, I really enjoyed art and design, but I wasn't sure where I was going to take that. But I chose communication design in university for its broadness. And in that, I found my love and passion for experience design, and I kind of narrowed it more down to digital product design, which is one of my specialties now. And I guess it's also a key aspect of why I got into Frog, because they're very known for their experience design as well.